on, adventurers? Welcome to Margaritaville, Orlando. This is our room right behind us. We're about to head in. It's room number 219. So let's go check it out. I was just in there. It's really amazing. Look, it even comes with a doorbell. Check it out.
Welcome to Margaritaville.
Is this your crib?
This is my crib.
For the night.
Awesome. Come on in.
All right, so as soon as you walk in, there is a nice light fixture. So it lights up the foyer pretty well. We're gonna cut right in here to the bathroom. What's up, guys? Now, the thing that I noticed immediately when I came into the bathroom was the shower. The shower is a rain shower, and that looks so amazing right now. It's like a spa type shower. And it also has a handheld, which is nice. And they got your little nook over there with your body wash and shampoo and conditioner and your soap. And then check this out. Oh my goodness, they have whale tail or dolphin tail spigots. Check it out. Okay, that's really cool. I just noticed that. Did you see this?
Yeah, those are fancy.
Those are awesome.
Very awesome.
I kind of want those in my house right now. That is too cool. So then they have some stuff here. I got soap and cotton swabs and a shower cap, some lotion there. And of course it's a double sink area, so you get double dolphin tails there. And then they actually do have some extra towels down below in those little cubbies. Let's see what's in here, guys. Ooh, there's a trash can and a hairdryer for your enjoyment. There is a magnification mirror over here. And it's lit, which is nice. Headed into the toilet area. There's some cool art on the wall. The whole room is just decked out in cool Margaritaville decor. And there's your potty. All right, so we are headed out into the main area, the bedroom. And, oh wait, Lisa said I have to show you the closet first, so let's check out the closet.
I'll be Vanna.
Vanna, if you will, please.
In the room, you have amenity of Margaritaville with Margaritaville on it.
Those are cool.
Yep. Nice. And they have a, let's check door number 2. Yeah.
There's our luggage.
Safe.
Yeah, there's a safe up there and an ironing board. Headed into the main living area, the bedroom. And this particular room is set up with 2 queen beds. I love the giant pillows that they have on there. Changes in attitude. That's what I'm talking about. Immediately when you walk in to the resort, you guys will see, but it just kind of takes you to another place. Like you feel like you just walked right into the middle of the Caribbean. So I'm gonna show you guys the art on the wall. Some palm trees, and over here are the sailboats. That is a really nice piece of art right there. I love it. And even the woodwork in here, you know, is just very Caribbean for sure. So you got the 2 queen beds set up. And this is really cool. This is a tablet. It has all of your information on it. Really cool stuff. Got the weather. It's 3 o'clock exactly right now. So there's a lamp there and some tissues. And we're gonna pan around. There's a nice bench here so you can sit there and get changed. Now, I love this. The seaplane. Gotta love the seaplane. That is really cool. And then they have some dresser drawers here. These are neat. Look at this with the rope work. It's like a dock cleat is what it is for tying up your boat. And it smells so good. You never know what kind of surprises might be inside. All right, so back to the room tour. Have a nice big flat screen TV. And then next to the dresser drawers, have a desk area. Nice big chair. And over here, the lamp, which incidentally is worked by the switches on the wall as you first come into the bedroom. That is some nice artwork as well. Got the island stuff going on and the flip-flops, palm trees. Over here, have a little nook that has your ice bucket and some water bottles. Below that is your Keurig machine and some coffee mugs, as well as some disposable coffee cups and some disposable water cups, and all of your hot beverage condiments there. Here's some drawers, and there's your refrigerator right below it. There you go. Nice mini fridge. Wow. Would you just look at this view, guys? This is amazing. So we ended up getting the 2-queen pool view, and this is not the main pool. This is just another quiet pool that they have at the resort. So FYI, if you do reserve a pool view room, make sure that if you want to be by the main pool, you request it. We didn't know that at the time of our reservation, but just a little bit of information. Be sure to request that. I'm loving the Adirondack chairs. This is fantastic. Currently, this pool is closed. I'm guessing it's because we had colder weather this week. Probably not a whole lot of people are swimming, but the pools are heated here. So we're gonna be headed out to the main pool shortly. I kind of want one of these chairs. No, I kind of want 2 of these chairs now because they look so relaxing. Oh, wow. This is what I'm talking about, guys. This is what I am talking about. This is amazing. This is like really the first that we've had to just chill and enjoy our trip. I think I am going to go take you guys down and show you the pool. This is just too serene and too beautiful. You know, I can't imagine what the main pool looks like. I'm so excited. I've seen it in pictures and videos, so yeah, let's do it. All right, guys, we are headed out to the pool. These are the cabanas right there to the right that you're seeing. This is the path. We're going to go head in and we're going to show you when we get there. So beautiful. All right, guys, so we have made our way to the beautiful pool here at Margaritaville in Orlando, and it is a beautiful, beautiful setup that they have here. They have the palm trees lined up all around, and I mean, there's plenty of seating, plenty of lounge chairs and tables, and as you can hear, they got the music piped in. Quite beautiful. They have 2 beach pools back here, and they also have a hot tub directly behind me. There's nobody in this pool right now, so I normally don't show pool areas just because, you know, people sometimes are, you know, they're in the bathing suit. I don't want them to be exposed in an uncomfortable situation. So I'm gonna just pan around and let you see the pool real quick. This is the only one I'm gonna show. The other one, there are a lot more people in it, so let me just let you take a look. They have some cabanas available for rent as well. That's the ones with the little tents back there. And then in the background you can see the cottages. Those are actually available for purchase or for rent. You can actually stay there just like you can in the hotel as well. And they have more cabanas over there. And they do have a handicap lift too as well if you need some assistance with that. This is beautiful though. I love the zero entry. All right, guys, so when you come out these doors at the west elevator, if you turn immediately to your right, look what awaits you. Not Lisa. This amazing fire pit. Lisa might not. Well, she may be here still when you get here. I don't know. It's probably gonna be really hard to get her out of this place tomorrow.
Probably.
It's raining. What's really weird because the sun just made an appearance over here and then it started to rain. That's Florida for you guys. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like immediately after you walk into the lobby. It is absolutely beautiful. The first thing you notice, of course, is the palm trees, followed by those beautiful margarita glass lamps up above. I'm gonna go get a closer look at those right now. Here's a closer look at the margarita glasses with the lights in them. So cool. And then, of course, here you have your nautical star. And no trip to Margaritaville would be complete without seeing a parrot, and there are plenty here. All right, guys, so I just want to let you know they do have a business center. It's called the Coconut Telegraph. I'll hop in there real quick and just show you. They have 2 computers. 2 computers and a nice printer. and an ATM. So now you know where the ATM is. Okay, so it turns out that the ATM is actually, their fee is 2% of whatever you take out. So it's dependent on, you know, how much you withdraw. 2% is not bad. I mean, I've seen worse. I've also seen places that do have like a $2 or $3 flat fee. So it just depends on how much you need cash, and it's very convenient. So, you know, up to you. We're gonna go check out the arcade real quick. So this is the Fin City Arcade. We are about to head in and check out what they got in here. These are the Margaritaville bracelets, and they're really cool. They work very similarly to a Magic Band if you've ever been to Disney. It's RFID technology. Basically, there's a chip inside, and it serves as your room key and also for charging privileges. So really cool. We have some cool stuff in here. Here's the token machine. There's a prize rocket. You can get some candy. Prize locker. Oh, let's see what they got in here. A lot of people like this game. They got a camera. They got some earbuds. A couple cool things. There's a really cool motorcycle racing game called Moto GP. Cruisin'. And then, what arcade would be complete without a zombie game? For all you Walking Dead fans out there, they got you. One of my favorite all-time games, air hockey. Of course, they got the 5 o'clock somewhere art, and they got your paddle, your land shark paddle. That's awesome. Castaway Bay, and I love that Margaritaville surfboard over there. Next, we're headed into Provisions, which is a quick service. They have some different things that you can purchase in here. Let's go take a look and see what they have. They have a bunch of different pastries here. You can see in the display. Oh, and some pre-made desserts. Those look really good. They have some different wraps and sandwiches here. And they do even offer gluten-free muffins, which is good. Foodies is a good brand. We've used that before. Very good bread and rolls. I believe that's what Disney uses or used to use. Got different fruit, grab-and-go stuff. Some salads that look real good. They look very fresh. They even have Tortuga rum cake in almost every different flavor that you can imagine. I speak from experience when I say Tortuga rum cakes are amazing. Here we got some more snacks, some brownie brittle and meringues, all kinds of good stuff. Candy bars, Oreos, so you can snack to your heart's content. Over here we have some Red Bull and lemonade and some Fiji water Pellegrino, different Tropicana drinks, and Hershey's milk. Over here is the good stuff. Got some Heineken and Corona, some different mixed drinks, wine and beer. Some more wine over here. You can even get bags of coffee here. And of course they have some conveniences, batteries and sunscreen, aloe, charging cables, all that good stuff, baby wipes, toothbrushes, shaving cream, razors. So they got you covered. They got everything you could possibly need here. So this is Euphoria. This is the bar and fine dining restaurant. We actually did not have a chance to dine here last night. It was a quick trip. So next time we come, we're definitely gonna make sure we have a chance to dine in there. And you definitely cannot visit Margaritaville without heading into the store for a few minutes. Wow, I love this backpack. That is awesome. We have these also, the drawstring backpacks. And a nice variety of shirts. Alright guys, look, they even have some Spirit jerseys over here. Oh, this one caught my eye. This is beautiful. It's like some mermaid colors right there.
Honey, put the music in. Alright, so come on. So where's your bag next?
And the front says Margaritaville with a beautiful margarita. I love that. Purple. It's beautiful. That would be my choice if I was going to get one here. And it looks like here they have some rash guards. I like the turtle.
Right here. Can you go get it?
Some more stuff back here. Oh. For all of our pirate fans, they have a really cool pirate shirt. There's some nice button downs. They got shoes and flip-flops back here. These are really cool. Check those out with the shark fin. Those are awesome. Some more shoes. Definitely don't worry if you forget your flip-flops or your beach shoes because they got you covered here. Those are cute. Check it out. You can even get a frozen concoction maker. They have all kinds of cool margarita merchandise, everything from ice buckets to margarita glasses to plates. I mean, you can get your Margaritaville on up in here. It's crazy. Awesome stuff. All right, guys, so we are headed out bright and early. We had an amazing stay here.